Let's do this eyeshadow look together while I show you your eyeshadow brushes and proper use of them. These are your eyeshadow brushes. This is the fluffy eyeshadow brush and this is the flat eyeshadow brush. It is a more precise brush and that is what I'm using to apply my first eyeshadow color. Basically, all you need to do is tap in your eyeshadows. Do not rub, do not scrub, just tap in, gently tap in order to get a perfect color payoff. These are your blending brushes. These are tapered blending brushes, while these are round blending brushes. Blending brushes are used to blend in eyeshadow colors like I'm doing here. Now I'm using the round brush and I'm just precisely tapping in my color. This step requires lots of patience, so just patiently blend in your eyeshadow. Don't rush it, just take your time like I'm doing here. Now I go in with the tapered blending brush to blend out harsh lines. Tapered blending brushes are much more precise and they focus on areas where you want them to blend out. Always remember that you're in control of your brushes, not the other way around. Also, this is the perfect way to hold your eyeshadow brush. Don't hold it at the tip, always hold at the middle so that you can get the perfect finish. Went back in with my first color for more definition. So this is how you make proper use of your brushes to get the best eyeshadow look. Applying my eyeliner now. Kindly let me know if you love to see a detailed eyeliner tutorial. This mascara from ZK Cosmetics is a game changer and I used all ZK Cosmetics products on this video. Don't forget to like, share, save and follow for more.